Hello everyone, welcome to 0R-Marriage script installation tutorial. First of all, download your script. Also don't forget the props. Now put them both into your assets. And start them. Okay, you can find the documentation here. Let's check. You can find the items here. Put them into your items.lua. Don't forget the SQL. Open your database. Run the SQL. And run the SQL.SQL. Now let's check config. Set your framework here. You can change the name of priest, the coordinates, set your inventory and interact type. You can use draw text or your target script. And these are the animations. Okay, now let's restart your server. Alright, you can find the priest here in front of the church. You can always change the location. Talk with priest. And marriage. If there is someone with you, you can marriage. I can try because I'm alone right now. Okay, that was all.